This weekend, H-1B holders hit with a $100,000 fee plus travel restrictions. What does this really mean? Even though the White House later clarified that this new fee will only apply to future H-1B petitions, the message is clear. Rules can shift overnight, and you need to have a plan B. And as if that wasn't enough, Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick confirmed the new Gold Card program is expected to replace the EB-1 and the EB-2 visas, some of the most common pathways to a green card for highly skilled workers. In his words, you can prove exceptional value to the United States by contributing $1 million to the US government. So what's the alternative for H-1B holders right now? The EB-5 program remains one of the most reliable options. If you're on H-1B or F-1 OPT, you can adjust your status in as little as 3 months with the EB-5. Through an $800,000 investment in a qualified project like ours, Archer Place, you can earn a 4.9% annual return plus potential profit sharing, and expected repayment in about 3 years. Unlike the Gold Card, where you're essentially donating $1 million, the EB-5 is an investment where your money is working for you. But timing is critical. File before September 2026 and you'll be grandfathered in under the current rules as they are today. After that, no one knows. Investment amount and restrictions could change. Over the past 16 years, we've helped over 200 families, including those on H-1B visas, secure U.S. permanent residency with a 100% approval rate. Archer Place offers benefits that very few EB-5 projects on the market can match. But spots are limited, so contact us today to map out your plan and secure your long-term future in the United States.